Guys, this is a trade of the day. I'll be going over today's trade that I made on Monday, September 18, 2017. I just want to quickly thank you guys for watching my videos, liking them, and also subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, highly recommended. I will definitely be continuing to post more valuable videos that I think you guys will not only enjoy but learn a lot from. Okay. Um, Now, as a reminder, this video is for learning purposes. So this is an awesome trade that I'm very happy with that I made on Tesla. Now, Tesla is a very famous company and has been in the news a lot. And it's been trending. So when it comes down to swing trading, like going long, like buying swing stocks, the most important thing is to look for stocks that have been in a long-term trend. Now, Tesla's been in a trend for about a year after it broke out of this resistance level. So if you see this top right here, one, two, three, and then fourth, and the fourth try, it broke out and it just started a trend. So the last year has literally been just trending on this 50 moving average. Now, as you can see, it starts to trend on a 90 EMA, pulls back, holds at 50, starts to trend again, pulls back, holds at 50, trend, pulls back. This was a very hard pullback after a downgrade from a couple investment banks. But one of the most important things you got to keep in mind is that when it comes down to strong companies, Tesla is one of those companies that they just keeps coming back. There's always something new, something different because so remember they're the first ones to start with the whole electric car and kind of almost perfected the battery, which is the most important component of electric cars. So there's always something new, and it always tends to hold and hold higher highs and then continue to trend. So that is something I always keep in mind. I always keep Tesla on radar for any opportunities to buy long because this is a very long-term, trending stock. Now, as you guys can see, it pulls back, consolidated, trended up, and consolidated here. And the main reason why I bought this stock, actually bought it on September 11th, and again, my respects for the victims of September 11th, was because it broke out of this wedge. And as you guys can see, there's a little wedge here. That's a bullish pattern. So that's a huge bullish pattern. Not only did it break out the wedge, but it broke out in high volume. So you guys can see right here on high volume, that's very, very important. So you want to see above average high volume, which it did. So if you guys can see the consolidation here, it's in low volume, and then you see this breakout on a higher above average volume. That's a huge bullish sign. So I did buy here, put my stop below the wedge, and went for the 2-to-1. So my target, of course, was the all-time highs, because that will be a resistance level, consider resistance level, and then take my profits there. So it did hit that high today. Now to kind of go into the, I guess the intraday chart, you'll see that it hit that level. All right, hold on. There you go. Hit that level today. Hold on. And again, this line represents the all-time high. And you guys can see it hit it, and it kind of created like a wall. You guys can see this is why it's so important. You guys always have to look at prior all-time highs because that always tends to be a resistance level. So if you guys can see when it hit it, it did kind of pull back, and it just couldn't go, and it finally went, but then boom, it reversed. So that's the reason why I always sell at resistance or close to resistance. And sometimes even better sell before resistance because once resistance hits, everybody's going to try to get out. And that's what happened here, here, and then here. So, Tesla's one of my favorite long-term trendy stocks that I always keep on radar. It's one of the big tech companies that I always keep on radar as well. Just because of the way it moves, the trends, it's a perfect trending stock. I'm definitely going to keep it radar again. Once it breaks out here, I want to look for consolidation and see if it could offer another opportunity on a pullback. So hopefully this makes sense, guys. Again, this video is for learning purposes only. I want to also add really quickly that I will be posting a link below with the with blog posts to kind of go over trading setups that I highly recommend you guys look at for those who are interested in also day trading. So I'll include a link for day trading setups. So I welcome you guys to look at it, go over the blog posts. Let me know what you guys think. Send me a comment, DM me, and you guys will hear from me soon. Thank you very much.